runway 31 departure. From Terminal 2, we are now taking roll for this is Terminal 3. And this is a takeoff roll for runway 31 departure. That's Resorts World and Belmont Hotel. Terminal 3, and we're still rolling for departure. Okay, now rotate, and we're airborne. Runway 31 heading. This is Metro Manila by night. Runway 31 departure. Now we're turning back to the south. Radar vectors. This is Metro Manila by night.